Welcome back friends, this is Lina from Vitesh Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example under quadratic expressions. So given that if c square is not equal to ab and the roots of the quadratic equation are equal, then we have to show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc or a is equal to 0. So in our previous videos we have learned that if the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are equal, then the discriminant of the quadratic equation, which is given by b square minus 4ac, is equal to 0. So from the given quadratic equation we have the values of a as c square minus ab and the value of b is 2 into a square minus bc, and we have the value of c as b square minus ac. Now let us substitute all these values in b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we get here 2 into a square minus bc whole square minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac is equal to 0. So let us simplify this equation. So we get here the value of 2 whole square as 4 into a square minus bc whole square minus 4 into, and now let us multiply the individuals of the group c square minus ab with the group b square minus ac. So on multiplying c square into b square we get c square b square minus a into c cube minus ab into b square, and which would be minus ab cube plus a square bc is equal to 0. So that implies we get here 4 into, and we observe that a square minus bc whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. So by applying that formula we get this as a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2 into a square bc minus 4 into c square b square minus ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc is equal to 0. So in the next step, by taking 4 as a common factor, we get here 4 into a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus c square b square plus ac cube plus ab cube minus a square bc is equal to 0. So here we can cancel over the terms b square c square and c square b square as they have the opposite signs, and then if we transfer 4 to the other side it becomes 0, and we get this quadratic equation as a power 4, and by adding minus 2a square bc and minus a square bc we get minus 3a square bc plus ac cube plus ab cube is equal to 0. Now let us take a as a common factor from this equation. So we get here a into a cube minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube is equal to 0. So from this equation we can say that a is equal to 0, or the value of the equation a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Now let us transfer minus 3abc to the other side, then we get this equation as a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So hence we prove the required condition. So this is how we solve an example under quadratic expressions. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on quadratic expressions on our website Vitesh Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.